Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how can you fix account not in this store. Your account is not valid for use in the Twine store. So guys, if you are facing this problem, then how can you fix it? So guys, let's start our video without wasting any time. So first of all guys, what we need to do, we have to simply close this page. Now after that guys, what we need to do, you have to just simply open settings, and now from here guys, you have to just simply tap on profile, and from here guys, you have to just simply tap on media and purchases, and now from here guys, you have to just simply tap on view account and wait some second here, and after that guys, just simply tap on your country or region, tap on this, and again wait some seconds. And now from here guys, you have to just simply tap on change country or region, tap on this, and from here guys, select your country as United States. So guys, search here for United States, and from here guys, you have to agree terms and condition, and from here guys, enter your payment method here. If you don't have any payment method, then select none, and from here guys, you have to just simply add your billing name and billing address, and after that you have to just simply tap on next and save this information, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it for today guys. Hope this video helps you. If you like the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.